Once upon a time near Arbroath, there was a fish, an eosk, and this particular fish was a haddock, an attock. Hello, attock. Hello, Hallam. And this eosk was very tasty. But then someone discovered you could make it taste even better. No way! It's true! But how? They smoked it. And so was born the Arbroath Smokie. Has that been slapped by a wet fish? The actual home of the Smokie is actually 3 miles south of Arbroath in a place called Auchmuthi. But I'm not there. I've travelled 35 miles inland to meet up with Ian Spink, whose family have been smoking fish for generations. And he's got dozens of fresh attacks with string around each erapal tail, ready to smoke. Hi Ian,
Calum.
How you doing?
Not bad. Yourself?
Not too bad, aye. No smoke without fire, what's going on here?
That's for sure. Yeah, well, I'm going to make you some smokies today.
Okay.
So what happens next is we wait patiently for this fire to get a nice good solid hold, and then we take the fish, put it on top of the barrel, and then we take the hessian bags, they go all across the top, cover it up, all the flames die down, and the fish will just cook slowly, hopefully for about 40 minutes.
Brilliant.
Simple as that.
Ian uses a mix of hardwoods to get his own distinctive taste. And with the fire now producing enough smoke, it's time to hang the attacks.
Perfect.
Why is it so important that they're all facing the same way? Why does it matter?
Because I go by sight
Yep.
as to when they're cooked, not by time. So I judge by the colour.
What makes hessian such a good material? Why use that?
For windy days like this, I can just damp it down a bit and just let it regulate the fire.
What do we do now then?
We wait patiently for 25 minutes, or maybe about 20 minutes perhaps, and then we go and have a cup of tea.
Good, let's go.
Nice and slow.
Smoke follows beauty, isn't that what they say? 45 minutes later and the eosk is ready. But today, as I'm more than 5 miles out of Arbroath, these attacks can't be called Arbroath Smokies due to their protected status. So, for one day only, let's just call them Calum Smokies. Yes, I like the sound of that, and I did help.
That's your tea ready, Calum?
Excellent. I haven't eaten all day in preparation for this.
Okay, right, hope it's not going to disappoint. Freshly smoked, straight off the fire. How's that?
That looks sensational. Attack smochtje. Tasty. Bluster. Can I have some? No, my attack.